These jobs may include various duties such as household helper, cab driver, personal assistant, freelance gigs, etc. Micro jobs are a slice of small tasks of a large project distributed equally among the freelancer, for which they have to complete the assigned task within the given time frame. And in return, the freelancers or any individual will get paid for completing those tasks. Micro job sites act as a medium between employees and employers, where employers post the tasks and jobs they want to get finished while employees complete those tasks, so they can earn a decent amount of money. 1. Freecash. Freecash.com is one of the fastest growing websites to make money online. You can earn by filling out our surveys, completing tasks, signups, or playing games. You can instantly withdraw your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or gift cards, or several other withdrawal methods like Amazon, Steam, Doge, etc. Freecash.com focuses on having the biggest tasks and offers, the highest payouts, instant cash outs, low minimum withdrawals, a clean design, and active direct support. Users already earned $2,500,000 plus. In addition, the site is very modern and user-friendly. 2. Fiverr. The website is top among any other websites in terms of freelance tasks. At this, a freelancer is selling their skills or gigs for just $5. And also, you can get any of your online and offline work done within just $5. You can join Fiverr utterly free without any joining fee. At Fiverr, you can list your services for just $5. Talking about commission, they will keep $1 from every gig you sell through Fiverr. Talking about best-selling gigs on Fiverr, you can go for the skills related to social media, blog commenting, logo design, business cards, SEO, graphics design, video and animation, writing, advertising, building backlinks, copywriting, and even more. 3. Envato. Envato has excellent potential for talent, so they can make money with it. Envato is one of the biggest marketplaces for all skills. Those are needed most in graphic designing and any other creative industries. At Envato, you can go for creative skills like video editing, theme design, audio experts, scripts, and many other freelancing services that are well enough to make your living and make a full-time income with it. You can explore varieties of categories at the Envato marketplace, and you can select freelance tasks related to your skills and make a high income with them. 4. ProBlogger. ProBlogger is the most giant gem for the guys who are already skilled with some of the unique skills needed most in blogging. You can go for writing, link building, web development, video editing, image editing, or any kind of work at ProBlogger. This is the place for you. So if you are still with any of these, a ProBlogger can be the best place to start your online freelance journey, where you can make a big profit online. 5. DesignCrowd. For those who like designing, DesignCrowd offers something interesting. It is a perfect marketplace for graphic designers, and for the creative ones who are already pro of themselves with some of the best skills required for graphic designing. At DesignCrowd, you can offer logo design, t-shirt design, web PSD design, flyer design, brochure design, or business card design services. 6. Simply Hired. Simply Hired is a big platform where companies post big tasks for their projects. This can also be one of the best websites to make money online. Companies are willing to pay a considerable amount of cash to their freelancers to get an outstanding contribution from them. The guys with the most demanding skills are required to complete that project. 7. Microworkers. Microworkers is a platform where more than thousands of workers are already getting paid for their contributions to companies. Microworkers is a crowdsourcing website. The freelancer is assigned some micro tasks and gets paid for completing those micro tasks, such as evaluating emotions displayed in an image, readings of value in an electric meter, and extracting and researching information from the data given in bills, supermarkets, and shops. Even more, There can also be another task available at microworkers, such as categorization clothes for an online catalog, collecting the contact information of something from a web search, mobile app testing, completing consumer surveys, and the like. So, once they get satisfied with your work, they will provide you a code to submit to the microworkers website, so you will get paid for your task. 8. Appen. It is also one of the best trustable websites among freelancers. Appen already has got over 5 million freelancers from 208 countries. There is a great success rate of freelancers on this website who has completed the tasks agreed in a given time. Appen is almost similar to crowdsource.com in terms of user interface and nature of tasks. To start your work on this website, you will get instructions for all the needs and requirements before accepting the task. Even more, you may have to clear up different tests to prove your skills and suitability so they can judge you better. You will get a task on the categories like content moderation, data collection, data categorization, and the like. Once you finish your job, you will get paid through PayPal. The minimum threshold is $5. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.